Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today, I am going to teach you how to create PayPal account. So be sure you stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's go for how to create PayPal account. First, you have to open the PayPal application in your smartphone. After that, you have to enter your email to sign up and then enter your mobile number and then create a password and then click next after that. Add your personal information like nationality name, last name, date of birth, and then add your address. You have to add 2 lines of address, city, PIN code, and the state, and tick the box and then click on agree and create account, and then your account will be successfully made. So this all in today's video. Hope you must have understood that how to create PayPal account. There is no easier way than this. If you still don't understand anything, then you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button and press the subscribe. Drop a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching this video.